नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करछि आपण माननको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को। आर एनटीसी और ग्रुप डी रो एग्जाम डेट रिलीज जायछि। जो माने जान नांते आपनकर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन पई बहुत शीघ्र यार नोटिफिकेशन आसी जीवो आपण प्रिपरेशन करंतु। आज मु आपण माननक पई नै आछि इंपोर्टेंट साइंस क्वेश्चन फॉर डिफरेंट एग्जाम्स सिटी बीडी एनटीपीसी ग्रुप डी ओएसएससी रो जते सब एग्जाम आछि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आपण मानक पई नै आछि। जदि आपण हमर चैनल सब्सक्राइब करनांती फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल ताहले सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु। फଳରେ ଆମର जो रिसेंट अपडेट आछि आपण माने पाई परिबे एवं आपनकर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन पई बहुत हेल्पफुल हेबो। मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करूछि आपनक पई आउ थरे पुणी। चलंतु आरंभ करिया आजिर एही एपिसोड। जिवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Which one of the following chemicals is used for making artificial clouds? Which one of the following chemicals is used for making artificial clouds? Option A potassium nitrate, B heavy water, C sulfur iodide, D silver iodide. So friends, all of you know cloud seeding is the process of spreading either dry ice or more commonly silver iodide into the upper parts of the cloud to try to stimulate the precipitation process and form rain. So correct answer is silver iodide. Option D is the correct answer. Silver iodide is used for making artificial clouds. Go to next question. Question number 2. Which of the following main element is used for making matchbox? Which of the following main element is used for making matchbox? Option A graphite, B phosphorus, C silicon, SiLi होगा इधर silicon, D sodium. So all of you know the safety matchbox ignites due to extreme reactivity of phosphorus with the potassium chlorate on the match head. Phosphorus is highly reactive non-toxic chemical used for making the head of a matchstick. So correct answer is phosphorus. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 3. Humus is an example of. Humus is an example of. Option A soil structure, B crystalloid, C organic colloid, D none of the above. So humus usually refers to the natural decay of material such as leaves in the soil's top layer. It is dark organic material that forms in the soil when plant and animal decay. So correct option is organic colloid. Humus is an example of organic colloid. Option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which of the following chemical is used in foam fire extinguisher? Which of the following chemicals is used in foam fire extinguisher? First option is aluminium, इधर skip हो गया, aluminium sulfate, copper sulfate, कोबाल्ट सल्फेट, निकल सल्फेट। कौन सा केमिकल्स फोम फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर में इस्तेमाल होता है? ऑल ऑफ यू नो एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट इज यूज्ड इन फोम फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर व्हिच कंटेन्स radium bicarbonate and aluminum sulfate in separate receptacles. On being mixed they form the foam bubbles of CO2. So correct answer is aluminum sulfate. Option A is the correct answer. It is aluminum sulfate is used in foam fire extinguisher. Go to next question. Question number 5. The meristem which occur between mature tissues is known as. The meristem which occur between mature tissue is known as. Option A intercalary, B primary, C lateral, D apical. So the meristem which occurs between mature tissue is known as intercalary meristem. They occur in grasses and regenerate parts removed by grazing herbivores. So correct answer is intercalary. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which of the following phylum is called flatworms? Which of the following phylum is called flatworms? Option A mollusca, B chordata, C centophora, D platyhelminthes. So all of you know platyhelminthes phylum are also called flatworm. Option D is the correct answer. platyhelminthes is called flatworm. platyhelminthes को फ्लैटवर्म कहा जाता है. Go to next question. Question number 7. थोड़ा सा इधर स्किप हुआ है. The roots of the protoxylem. The roots of the protoxylem towards periphery and metaxylem lies towards center. The roots. The roots of the protoxylem towards periphery and metaxylem towards its center. Such arrangement of primary xylem is called option A xylem fiber, B xylem parenchyma, C exarch, D endarch. So in roots, protoxylem lies towards periphery and metaxylem lies towards center. Such arrangement is called primary xylem. Such arrangement of primary xylem is called exarch. So correct answer is option C, exarch is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 8. Which is the only example of mollusca phylum? Which is the only example of mollusca phylum? Option A locust, B butterfly, C scorpion, D octopus. All of you know mollusca is a large phylum of invertebrate animals whose members are known as mollusca. Octopus is example of mollusca phylum. So correct answer is option D. Go to next question. Question number 9. The strongest force in nature is option A electrical force, B gravitational force, C magnetic force, D nuclear force. Strong nuclear force is the strongest force. It is present inside the atom, responsible for binding the protons and neutrons and helps and also inside the proton and neutron in binding of the quarks. So nuclear force is the strongest force in nature. Very important. This question has arisen so many exams. Important questions for all exam. Go to next question. In nuclear reactor, graphite is used as option A coolant, B fuel, C moderator, D atomic smasher. Heavy water is basically used as moderator in nuclear reactors to slow down the neutron so that they are captured and become effective to bring about fission reaction. So correct option is C moderator. Go to next question. Electric current in a metal wire is due to the flow of option A electron, B proton, C ion, D holes. An electric current is a flow of electric charge. So it is the flow of electrons. Correct answer is A. Go to next question. The nature of fused wire is A. Low melting point, B. High melting point, C. High conductivity, D. None of the above. So all of you know electric fuse is a protective device which protects electrical equipment in the circuit by breaking the circuit when there is a short circuit. It has low melting point. So correct answer is A. Go to next question. Question number 13. A transformer converts, option A, converts AC to DC. B, is used to increase or decrease AC voltage. C, converts AC voltage to DC voltage. D, converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. So a transformer is used to bring the voltage up or down in an AC circuit. So option B is the correct answer. It is used to increase or decrease AC voltage. Transformer converts to increase or decrease AC voltage. Go to next question. Question number 14. Good conductor of electricity is option A, dry air, B, paper, C, kerosene, D, graphite. Graphite is soft and slippery because there are only weak intermolecular forces between its layer. Graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So correct answer is graphite. Go to next question. Question number 15. Moving electric charge produces. Moving electric charge produces. Option A, magnetic field. B, sound waves. C, light waves. D, heat waves. So all of you know a charged particle moving without acceleration produce an electric field as well as magnetic field. So correct answer is magnetic field. A moving electric charge produces both electric and magnetic field. Go to next question. Which of the following material is used in solar panel? Which of the following material is used in solar panel? Option A, silicon. B, copper. C, nichrome. D, platinum. So silicon is a semiconductor material. When it is doped with impurities gallium and arsenic, its ability to capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. Hence, it is used in solar cells. So correct answer is silicon. Go to next question. Question number 17. Which of the following is not an example of allotrope? Option A, diamond. B, graphite. C, ozone. D, steel. Diamond and graphite are allotrope of carbon, while ozone is an allotrope of oxygen. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon with trace amounts of other elements. So correct answer is D. D is not an allotrope. These are the allotrope of carbon and these is the allotrope of oxygen. Which of the following is heavier than oxygen? Which of the following is heavier than oxygen? A, carbon dioxide. B, ammonia. C, methane. D, helium. So for a oxygen molecule, for oxygen, a molecule consists of two oxygen atoms and has weight 32. But carbon dioxide, there is one carbon atom, that is 12, and two oxygen atom, though 2 into 16, for a total of 44. This means that carbon dioxide should be about 44 by 32, that is 1.375 times as heavy as equivalent volume of oxygen. In reality, carbon dioxide is 1.383 times as heavy as oxygen. Even after solidification, carbon dioxide is slightly heavier than similar volume solid oxygen. So correct answer is carbon dioxide. Go to next question. Which acid is released when ant bites? The acid produced by ants is called formic acid. The name comes from the Latin word for ant, which is formica. Chemically, it is a simple carboxylic acid. So options are hydrochloric acid, formic acid, acetic acid, phosphoric acid. So correct answer is formic acid. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Which among the following is an example of solid solution? Option A, milk of magnesia, B, foam, C, colored gemstone, D, rubber. A type of colloid of the form of one solid dispersed in another continuous solid is called solid sol. Colored gems is an example of solid sol. So correct option is colored gemstone. So student, बंधुगण, भाई और बहनों, दिस वाज द एपिसोड फॉर टुडेस क्लास. जदि आप हमारा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, अगर कर नहीं किया, कृपया करके प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर एग्जाम चैनल, यूट्यूब चैनल फाइट फॉर एग्जाम. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब by pressing the bell icon so that it will be helpful for your exam and also motivate us. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु. ये कही मुझे रखुच्छी. आपन दिन शुभ मंगलमय हो. जय जगन्नाथ.